Alright, I'm back at the pad station. Here again is the front of tower 2. So yeah, not too much, but some progress. There's the squaring off corner for the base. I'm back at those antenna spire sections. Again, not too much to see, but I just thought I'd get some nighttime shots. It'll probably be easier if I just step back. Okay, I'm back on the bridge. Again, Tower 4 and the base of the Freedom Tower. I actually was about to leave, but I thought I'd stick around a little longer, just get some nighttime shots. It'll be really nice when the base starts to light up. Alright everybody, that's all I got time for today. The night has settled in, and so are these dense clouds. I hope you've enjoyed this quick update. As I said earlier, I normally don't come out in this kind of weather, but I guess, you know, the clouds add a different perspective on the buildings and the lighting, miscellaneous things like that. Be sure to rate, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the tower's progress, even this weather if you feel like it. If you have any questions to ask me about anything, I'll be more than happy to answer you. And just remember, I am going to be back late January for a full sunny update. I hope you guys enjoyed it despite the weather. And yes, just be sure to leave your feedback because I want to hear from you. Any suggestions that you have about my videos, please tell me. If you want me to cover something specific, I will. Just write them. Leave a channel comment, send me a personal message, or you can just leave a comment here. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy. I hope you've enjoyed this update, this cloudy update. See you in a couple of weeks.